BeautyFIX, a skincare-focused beauty subscription box, has released the full spoilers for the June 2024 box. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The box is $24.95 per month. Join the club to sample the latest and greatest products in skincare, hair care, and makeup, handpicked by a team of beauty pros each month. They'll be offering different BeautyFIX box featuring full and travel size products worth at least $100. This box will include a COSRX, the 6-peptide skin booster full size. The skin boosting serum has 6 peptides that improve skin elasticity, fine lines, pores, and radiance. Boost your skin's condition and achieve multiple benefits with this serum. Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum, full size, an antioxidant-rich leave-in, silicone-free hair serum to shield hair from pollution, heat, and future damage by nourishing hair, blocking pollutants, and neutralizing free radicals. Kula Sunless Tan Kabuki Brush, full size. A brush specifically designed to work with sunless tanner for an even application. Sol de Janeiro Bom Dia Bright Cream Deluxe 25 milliliters, a retexturizing and nourishing daily body cream. Bom Dia Bright Body Cream from Sol de Janeiro is formulated with fruit AHAs and vitamin C's to reveal visibly brighter and smoother skin. La Roche-Posay Effaclear Medicated Cleanser, deluxe size, 15 milliliters, face wash with 2% salicylic acid. Acne medication helps target excess oil, pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads for clear skin. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. It's my favorite sunscreen. Deluxe 10 milliliters. This is a weightless, colorless, scentless, oil-free formula for face that leaves behind a velvety, smooth finish. It also acts as a makeup gripping primer that's perfect for all skin tones. The Nuco, the Barrier Culture Moisturizer with niacinamide and squalene, deluxe 15 milliliters, a lightweight pre-pro and postbiotic formula with ceramides and peptides, niacinamide and squalene, that's engineered to protect the skin barrier, replenish the microbiome, and lock in moisture and smooth skin texture. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.